What is going on, VR family? Hey, I'm trying to get set up to record a Kiwi Design unboxing video with the VR 180 camera, but something is wrong with it right now, so I'm just going to record this normally. I'm living the dream, I guess. Living the dream because they say, you can't rely on AdSense alone when you're doing this YouTube stuff. You got to get brand deals and affiliate marketing. So I must be doing something right. I was noticed by Kiwi. They sent me an email saying I had the potential to be a very influential influencer, and that's a quote, a direct quote from them. So I'm gonna just do this unboxing, see what they gave me. They first wanted to collect data on their high quality link cable, which I received one before from a different Shenzhen company, Shenzhen, China. But I don't know the company name on this, so I never got around to it's a USB 3.2 Gen 1 cable with no company name, so I've got no idea. I just know the function is Oculus Quest Link camera connecting computer to shoot. So they're going to shoot the computer with the cable. And they also gave me the dumbbells, and I think this is an Elite Strap cable replacement, which I already have the one with a battery on it. So this is going to be a spare in case I ever buy a Quest 2 for my mother or girlfriend. And these dumbbells, I play Supernatural, so that's going to be awesome. So we are going to open these up. I'm hoping I can open them up in VR 180, because that's a unique kind of thing that only I do. But we'll see if I can get this thing working. It's giving me 3 blinking orange lights, so I don't know what that means. I'm going to have to look it up. Be right back.